Hi, today we are going to learn how to automatically answer posted questions on specific categories of your forum with ChatGPT. To integrate ChatGPT with our plugin CM Answers Pro, first thing you need to do is to get an API key on the OpenAI site. You need to register and follow the instructions in order to get an API key. When the API key is obtained, you can configure the integration with the CM Answers Pro. Navigate to CM Answers Pro, Settings, General tab. Find the section ChatGPT. Here you need to configure the following options. First, turn on the option Enable ChatGPT to activate the feature and enter the API key that you obtained from OpenAI site into the corresponding field. The plugin supports two versions of ChatGPT. Using the option ChatGPT model, you can choose between GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT 4 Beta. Then, using the option Category Answered by ChatGPT, you need to choose categories where ChatGPT can give automatic answers. Let's choose a couple of categories that we already have: movies and music. You can also define the ChatGPT user display name, which will be displayed for answers. Have a note that when the plugin is installed and activated, it creates a new user with the name Answers ChatGPT User on your site. The plugin uses this user account to post automatic answers. So let's change the display name to HAL9000, for example. The option ChatGPT Prompt Template allows to specify the request which the plugin will be sending to ChatGPT for getting answers. Have a note that this template must contain one or both of the following placeholders: question title and/or question body. These placeholders correspond to the fields of the question title and question body. The option ChatGPT AI Role lets you define the role for the ChatGPT assistant to make your answers more specialized. This way, if you define the assistant as an expert in some certain area, it will generate the answers related to your main topic. Let's consider more detailed how the request is formed and sent to the ChatGPT in order to receive an answer. The request defined in the options ChatGPT AI Role and ChatGPT Prompt Template will be combined to generate an answer for certain specialization. The way how you define the AI role can have a huge effect on the result and generate totally different answers to the same question. For example, if you define the AI role as "you're a mathematician", the ChatGPT will answer the question "what is the matrix?" as about the mathematical term matrix. But if you set the AI role as "you're a cinephile", the ChatGPT will give totally another answer for the same question. It will give the answer about the movie The Matrix. You can also define the maximum length of the ChatGPT reply in the corresponding option. This affects the final length of the answer. This value is set in tokens. The longer the reply, the more tokens it spends. And finally, the option ChatGPT Temperature allows you to define how accurate the generated answer will be. This value ranges from 0 to 2. Higher values like 1.5 will make the output more random, while lower values like 0.2 will make it more focused and deterministic. When you finished configuring the settings, click the button Update at the bottom of the page to save the changes. Now, when the user asks a question and chooses a certain category, the answer will be immediately generated by ChatGPT. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to configure ChatGPT integration and post automatic answers on your forum. Thanks for watching the video!